Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect and analyze the latest gadgets to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we've got something special lined up for all you business professionals out there. The Lenovo V30a Business All-in-One Desktop.
Now, when it comes to business computing, reliability and performance are key. Let's dive into what makes the Lenovo V30a stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk about power.
This machine is equipped with an Intel Core i3-1115G4 processor, capable of speeds up to 4.1 GHz.
Paired with 8 GB of high-bandwidth RAM, you'll breeze through your daily tasks with ease. Whether you're multitasking between spreadsheets, emails, or video conferences, the Lenovo V30a has got your back. And with a spacious 256GB PCIe SSD, you'll enjoy lightning-fast boot times and ample storage for all your files. Now, let's talk visuals. The Lenovo V30a features a stunning 21.5-inch Full HD display, perfect for crisp and clear video calls and presentations. Whether you're crunching numbers or presenting to clients, you'll love the vibrant colors and sharp details this display has to offer. When it comes to connectivity, the Lenovo V30a has you covered. With a range of ports including USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, HDMI out, and RJ45, you can easily connect all your peripherals and accessories without missing a beat. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you'll stay connected wherever you go. And let's not forget about comfort and convenience. The Lenovo V30a comes bundled with a wired keyboard and mouse, ensuring you're ready to hit the ground running right out of the box. Whether you're working from home, in the office, or on the go, the Lenovo V30a is the perfect companion for all your business needs. With its powerful performance, stunning display, and versatile connectivity options, it's sure to elevate your productivity to new heights. And that's a wrap for today's review of the Lenovo V30a Business All-in-One Desktop. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product analyses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.